Hi there, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. My name is Daniela. So today we have an unboxing. It's the first time I do an unboxing on my channel, so I'm really excited to share with you guys these shoes. You definitely already know what shoe they are from the title of this video, but they are the brand new Nike Off-White Dunk Lows. These are part of the latest collaboration between Nike and Virgil on what he calls the Dear Summer collection, or the 50. Essentially, the collection is made up of 50 different variations of the same shoe, which is the Resale Grey Dunk Low. Retail price for these is £165, which is a bit high in my opinion for a dunk. You know, I guess it depends on the quality. If the quality is there, then it might be justifiable, but then again, it's an Off-White collab. So now listen, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. When I first saw pictures of these a few months ago, I could not care less for them. I've said it on my channel before, I'm not the biggest fan of Nike Off-White collabs. I always think they're very lacy and just overhyped. So when I saw these, I thought the exact same thing. I was like, you know what, this is a lazy attempt to do something different. Like, he could have really gone all out with this, and he didn't. But you know what, they really grew on me after seeing all the videos on the sneakers app of people talking about you know, the design and the process of making them. The 50 are being gradually released through the sneakers app via exclusive access only. The Off-White store also did a raffle for them, but I believe it was just lot 1 and lot 50, which I actually entered for. Shout out to Yanis, because Yanis told me about it and I won the raffle for lot 50. But guess what? I was actually on holiday during collection day, so obviously I had to take the L, I had to firm it. And then a few days later, I wake up to a beautiful notification on my phone saying that I had exclusive access to purchase a pair. So I was like, you know what? Nothing to lose, let's do it. And here they are. So once you get that exclusive access notification on your phone and you go to purchase the shoes, they don't tell you which lot you get. So it's sort of like a mystery box, which I actually really liked and I thought it was very fun. Now, ideally, I hope we have a lot 50 in here, but I also really like the suede ones. I think the suede looks really nice. So I would be very happy with a suede pair. But you know what? I'm very open. I'm open to anything. Maybe it's because all 50 are essentially the same shoe and the only thing that changes is the laces and the tongue. But yeah, I'm talking too much now. Let's actually see the shoe. I'm not gonna see what lot we got yet. Let's just run through the box really quickly. As I said, it's very on brand. You have the signature Off-White touches with the cutout holes and the graffiti swoosh on the lid. Once you open the lid, again, you get that signature Off-White orange yellow paper. Now let's actually see what shoe we got. 22, lot 22, okay. I think that's one of the leather pairs, right? I don't think, it's definitely not a suede. And there it is. Ta-da! Okay, I'm not mad, I'm not mad. Okay, so it's not actually leather on leather, it's a mixture of leather and canvas. Like the other 48 pairs, you have a sail and grey upper, and like a regular dunk, the toe box and side panels are made of this canvas material surrounded by soft leather. Olive green laces running across the top and white laces with the Off-White branding. Orange tongue, which has a raw / unfinished look with the cutout holes and exposed foam. Matching orange insole and also the infamous Off-White tag, again in orange, indicating lot 22 of 50. At the back, you have your standard Nike branding in black on the heel and neon pink tab just above the shoe code. Another signature touch is the silver Off-White writing on the inner shoe. The shoe's got a slight vintage look to it with the cream yellowy midsole. And finally, my favorite part has to be the pink tie-dye tag, 22 of 50, which really pops against that white and grey. Honestly, I've never been a fan of the overlacing system. I think it looks a bit silly, and especially in this color. I wish it would have been a brighter color rather than this olive green. So yeah, I wish it matched the pink or the orange. I might change them. I might buy get like a different one and change it. Is that too cheeky? I don't know. Quality is pretty decent, much better than the general release dunks that we're getting lately, so that's good. Quality is good. In terms of sizing, like I always say, they're pretty much true to size. I went for my usual UK 4, US 4.5 men, and they fit just fine, like a normal dunk or like a normal Jordan 1. In terms of resale, I don't think they'll do that well in comparison to other pairs like lot 1 or lot 50 or even some of the suede pairs, but let's actually have a look. Okay, so in my size, the last sale was £342, lowest ask 414, and highest bid 262. I'm still deciding whether I should keep them or sell them. You guys let me know in the comments what you think I should do, if I should flip them or if I should keep them. But they are nice. They're a dunk. You can't really go wrong with a dunk. I don't know, really conflicted. And that's all for today's video, guys. If you enjoyed it, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments what you think of this new Virgil collection, if you think it's worth it or you think it's all hype. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do it right now. I'm watching you. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.